Welcome to the Super Gold Juniors Key Chart Signals and Analysis. This is Morris. Well, let's begin by looking at the SGJ. We recently put a buy on, got a nice rally up, and then markets bottoming action with some volatility up and down. This is pretty typical on a major bottoming action, and that's what I see here. The positives on the chart certainly focus on the RSI. So the RSI set a higher low, while price obviously here set a lower low. That's positive divergence. Now I want to see a clean break above the top of the bull wedge. We're right on the bubble on that now. So get back above this area right here. This is potentially just a test. And then you turn and run higher. The high is setting here, and a bull wedge, once you confirm breakout, is targeting 34 bucks on price. Well, that's a pretty solid move from where we are, and I hold to that. Here is a look at the CDNX, but I've got it drawn in a chart that it's comparing it in a ratio to the S&P. So when the line is falling, then the S&P is outperforming, the CDNX is underperforming, but notice the bull wedge breakout on this as well, and even gained in a day of volatility. Top of the wedge again is the target. That will certainly be good for junior space. And then there is Benz. This one added more to the gain Thursday. I've been interested in volume. It had been higher. General market volatility pulled this down, but we're in awesome shape on this Super Gold Junior trade, and it's a really looking solid. The overall look of this chart is bigger fish than what we're actually looking at on my initial inverse head and shoulder pattern here. Because a move up through this neckline likely would move up, come back. But this, again, I mentioned this last time we looked at this chart, but this is suggesting we could move upwards $4.50, $5, something like that on a target on Benz on the secondary. And that's really when you get your true inverse head and shoulder formation. It won't happen instantly, but the setup is there on pins, and the volume is looking very, very solid. Now, let's talk special offer. If you're watching the video as a guest and not a paid subscriber, well, this is your opportunity. Super Gold Juniors is the service we're offering a deal on this week. And I've been looking for a major low in the metals and the miners, and I think we got it on the Bull Harami candlestick formations and the follow-through that we have seen this week. This is the time to be buying quality miners and the mining ETFs. And in my Super Gold Juniors letter, that's exactly what we are doing and will continue to do. You don't rush in all at once, but take advantage of what the market offers. At $249 a year, the value is superb, and I have a special offer this week of $199 for 14 months. To qualify, drop me an email where you can join this great service and take advantage of so many great positions and gains that we have made in those positions. That's all for now. This is Morris saying thank you.